1989 Chevy Suburban. Lifted. Clean. Look at this thing. 1500. As you guys can see, they did this on it because of the crossover to clear for the lift. Goes down Y's into a single. Then it's got a high flow cat on it right there. 3-inch pipe. And then what we did, we cut the stock muffler off and ran duals out the back from a Flowmaster original 40 series. Part number 430402. There'll be a link in the description for it, as you guys can see. Then 2 tailpipes custom bent on each side. He raised it up for him so it clears everything, makes sure nothing hits on each side, there and there. And 2 3.5-inch roll tips out the back on each side. And right there to complete the package. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And on these, you have to custom bend them. You cannot get tailpipes for them unless you do the single. For duals, you have to take it to a muffler shop to get them custom bent. There's the muffler that was on it and the tailpipe that was on it that we cut off. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it and hope you guys like it. And you know what to do. Push it. Subscribe. Ooh. Snoot approve? Hey! That sounds clean. Not overbearing. Nice detail. I like it. I like it. Here's sound decibels. Classic Flowmaster sound, 103. Hit that subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Go to beg it out. Look at that massive Suburban. I like the lines on them. They're cool. This thing's a freaking tank. Let you guys hear on the inside.